Hey lovelies, it's AJ from Celebrity Skin Studio. Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time, my name's AJ. I'm a licensed esthetician in the state of Arizona, and I do videos about the beauty biz, treatments, techniques. I do unboxing videos with tools and tricks of the trade and so on. If there's something you'd like to see, feel free to drop a comment below and I'll address it. So today's video is all about Christmas 2020. It's a cleaning and a decorating video. So just to differentiate between the two, this is not a sanitation practice, it is cleaning. I'm just giving everything a good scrub down before I put out the decorations this year. My spa, as you can see behind me, it's an aqua blue color, and I tend to decorate with silvers, blues, whites, and usually a little pop of red. This year was a little challenging. I try to add some new things every year, just a little something different. And blue was a little harder to come by this year, so I think it's kind of being phased out, and you're seeing a lot more darker colors. You're seeing like a lot of black and whites. You're seeing a lot of red and black, like the buffalo checks, things like that. So some of the things I keep and reuse every year, some of them are new, but since we've not done a video like this, it should be new to everyone. So if you have any questions, let me know. Again, if you are new visiting here, if you would consider liking and subscribing, we can be best friends. So let's get on with this video so you can see what I'm talking about here, and you have a very Merry Christmas. Let's get this cleaning rocked out. I am sweeping the floor here, getting all the bits of dust and dirt and any kind of debris. I do get a lot of dust bunnies in the spa just because I do laundry, and it seems to create little dust bunnies that are everywhere. So I give everything a good clean sweep, and then after this I will go back with my mop. I'm gonna do, during this video, I'm going to do a vinegar mop because I've had a lot of streaks on the floor when I've done bleach mops before. So this is just to kind of give everything a nice bright shine. I love this little Libby mop bucket. It's got two sides, so you can keep your mop water on one side and another side's for just water to rinse it out in between, so you don't have to keep running back and forth to the sink. I'm getting ready to do everyone's favorite job, cleaning the toilet. So when I clean the toilet, I like to let the solution sit in there overnight. It helps to get rid of rings and stains in the toilet. So I'm giving the mirror a good cleaning, wiping off the counters here. You'll notice I didn't wipe every countertop surface because a lot of those get wiped literally every time in between each client. So I'm dumping the mop water down the mop sink, giving it a rinse. Now I'm going to dust all the shelves, removing everything, and dusting and replacing it. Giving everything with glass or mirrors a good Windexing. And now my mom has come to help me. She lives right around the corner, and it works out really great because she can come help me with little projects like this. So this was a cute little Christmas tree that I found at Walmart. It was $16. It was flocked and it was ready to go. Flocking really seems to be in this year, and this was really a cute tree. And I wanted to add this to my treatment room because I've not had a tree in the treatment room before. Couple of trees that I got in a set. They had a gold bottom and they were really ugly, so I spray painted them silver, as you can see in that shot. We added some flocking to them just to liven them up and make them look a little different. The garland is also something I've had for a couple of years just because it was a blue and silver color. I
held on to that. I found that at Walmart. I don't know if they still have it. This little gem is actually a Christmas tree ornament. Excuse the goofy look on my face. But the Christmas tree ornaments were like $1.89 on the ornament wall at Walmart. So I just cut the little strings off and I replaced them where I normally have like a little succulent cactus. These wreaths I've had for a few years. I want to say I found them at Hobby Lobby and they were really inexpensive. I want to say about $10 or so. And a friend of mine gave me this because she knows I love aqua and silver things. So we're putting a little bit of garland on here, just to make it look fancy. And I thought my camera was running while we decorated these little trees, but apparently it was not. So I apologize about that and have to give you the after shot right here. I did find some really cool stuff this year at the Dollar Tree. They had some mini ornaments. They also had little garland. This red garland I'm using here came from Dollar Tree. And there was also some little stars for the tree toppers that they had there as well. The ones on this tree are not from Dollar Tree, those are from Walmart. Here we're decorating the cute little flocked tree that I picked up at Walmart. And next we'll just finish up with the final touches. And I found these cute little gel snowmen and snowflakes at the Dollar Tree, which is a great price because you do have to throw them away afterwards. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and coming up in just a few seconds you're going to see the final product. I hope you enjoy and have a very Merry Christmas. Please feel free to like and subscribe.